Welcome to the Orbital Studio. Today, we are going to learn more about our programmable tungsten counter. When activated, this feature tracks and counts the number of arc strikes that have been initiated, automatically prompting the operator when the preset limit has been reached. This allows for easy regulatory or WPS compliance for changing out the tungsten. Let's take a look at how to activate this on the power supply. In the basic adjustment screen of any program, toggle the tungsten replacement alert on and set the number of welds that your WPS requires. At each arc initiation, one will be removed until an alert pops up at 0, notifying the operator to change the tungsten and reset the counter. Once you're finished, press Quick Save and select Yes to save these values to the program. To learn more about this and our other features and products, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.